tray, okay?
Are we gonna leave it? Yeah. Happy Sunday, everyone.
Hi.
It's currently 2:12 ng hapon, and Daddy Mike and Paris are making this pork. Yeah. So, aalis sana kami. Well, actually, aalis pa kami. But, ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog. Yeah. She's having a nap now. So, that's good kasi time si mami niya na mag-his. Daddy, to where we're going. Say hi to Daddy.
And guys,
hello.
I'm really
Hello.
excited for we're going to the zoo.
Yeah. It's not the proper zoo, though.
It's just an aquarium.
Yeah, it's like, how would you...
Like you got
Hologram.
you got like kind of glasses. You're in a dark room, and then when you wear the glasses, you will see animals.
Yeah. They call it like Hologram Zoo. Malapit lang dito sa bahay.
Hologram zoo aquarium.
Yeah, so Ate Paris saw it last time. And, pupunta kami this afternoon kasi, alam niyo ba, dapat sana today, iba yung plano ni mami niyo at ni Daddy Mike. So, supposedly, kaninang, mga 1 o'clock, magkikita sana kami ni Rose, yung kaibigan ko na Pinay dito. Kasi, 3 weeks ago, in-invite nila ako na mag-karaoke tapos mag-lunch. So, naka-organize si Daddy Mike, siya sana yung mag-look after ng mga kids while si mami niyo ay lalabas with Rose, and meron daw isang Pinay rin.
Here's Rose.
Tita Rose, Chloe's mom.
Oh.
Yeah. But, pagkagising namin kaninang umaga, nakatanggap ako ng message na yung isang Pinay daw na kasama sana namin, she woke up with fever and gastro. So, kailangan namin reschedule the other tita.
Fever and gastro?
Yeah.
What?
So, yun. Hindi natuloy. So, ito na lang yung kanina, agad-agad kami, parang plan B, anong gagawin natin today. So, Daddy Mike has been to gym already earlier, and then nag-book kami online para sa hologram hologram zoo at 3 o'clock. So, malapit siya pag 3 o'clock. Gisingin lang sa baby Celine kung hindi pa siya magising by 2:40. Malapit na naman, 5 minutes drive lang. 5 or 6 minutes drive. Yeah?
Very quick.
Yeah.
You just have, when you're at Canon Hill, go in the thing and turn right. Is it right or left?
From here, turn right. Yeah.
This way.
Anyways, ito yung aking pa-outfit. So, while hinihintay namin si Baby Sil na magising ay nagluluto si Daddy Mike dito. Ito yung pa-outfit ko. And, I'll show you. Max's skirt si Mama Nurse. Grabe.
I like your skirt the most.
Yeah, do you like my skirt? I think Celine's going to like it pag nagising lang siya. But do you think Celine wants to wear it?
I think no one.
Show myself.
I think she would say, Mommy!
Put that in there, please.
Somewhere.
So yeah, hindi na ako mag-makeup or anything. Wala, dito lang naman kami. Wala namang very special. So ayan lang. And also, I'm actually liking my skin at the moment, guys. Para siyang
You liking yourself, mommy?
No, like my skin, I'm saying.
Yeah?
Like the melasma is still there. Hindi yan siya mawawala. But it's, para siyang siya. Tawag dito, nag-clear up siya a little bit. Look. It's for dinner tonight.
Girl, I love tomatoes. I mean potatoes.
Potatoes. Come down na.
I said tomatoes.
Bungag. Bungal. Bungal.
Bungag.
Can you say bungal? Say ako.
Ako.
Ay. Bungal.
Bungo.
Bungal.
Bung.
Bungi.
Bungi.
Thank you very much.
Happy McDonald's. Thank you.
Thank you. Nag-stop lang kami na McDonald's to get something to eat, guys. Double cheeseburger. Ako lang naman. Daddy Mike is on a diet at the moment. So, kumain na daw siya ng eggs. Only eggs, Daddy?
And the eggs. why she won't be Paris? Because if she's not, we're gonna wake her up.
That is correct.
And she'll be in a great
That is the correct. That is the correct. Naalala ko tuloy si Miss Deliciousness. We're here.
I like the shoes,
Tulog pa rin. It's here. It's inside the bag. Tulog pa rin ang ating baby. So, that's where we're going.
And guys,
Hologram Zoo and Aquarium.
and that's the one with the animals on front.
Yep.
Look at the look at the lion.
I know.
And
One thing I should say though, Daddy, I think they need to like update their signs because it's very faded na. Akala ko nga hindi to siya functioning eh. Sa Ate Paris lang yung nakakita tapos inano lang ginugol ko lang. Lumabas, it's working pala. Hi my princess. Sorry I have to wake you up, sweetie.
if you're still sleeping, you can sleep a little more, and then this
Careful.
Yeah, going there.
We're going there. Come on, let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah, is that good?
yeah, I'm ammo.
Amo!
We got Slurpee.
Very bright.
You want to go inside? Yes.
Ang buhok, awa pa'y bungkos.
Amo.
Lagi lang.
Do you want to go see Tiger?
No, that's a lion. That's a lion, not tiger.
Just asking him if he wants to go see a tiger.
Okay, we'll see if there's any tiger.
Want to go see tiger?
No?
Want to see lion?
First time namin pumunta dito.
Animals?
Very pretty.
Sa
What's the thing hanging there? And what's the headlight?
auto barn. Hala,
Oh my god.
ang dilim-dilim mo. Ha? Wala yung kuryente. Ah, hehe. Is this the one? You reckon? Ah, yeah, it is. Ganito lang pala guys. Oh.
Male lions generally stay behind to look after the cubs. It's the female lions that are hard-working and go out and hunt for food.
Put it on, Ling Ling.
Africa is divided up
Good
into
girl.
lion territories.
Good job.
A male lion roars to tell other lions that this is his group's territory.
Can you see ate?
A lion's territory is about 500 square kilometers big. Isn't that strange? Humans have
Okay, go. Your turn. Alright. This is our second time, guys. Oh, hindi lang. Nakasuot kasi kami ng glasses, guys. 3D glasses, kaya kitang-kita namin. Pero ganito siya dito.
Where we go is one.
Light, yeah. Come here, ate. Wait, don't move lang. You have to stay here. With the light.
See zebras?
Sobrang totoong-totoo, guys. Sa ano. Keep moving na. Follow the lights. Ito yung light na sinisundan. Oh, there's a lion coming. Oh my God, sobrang totoo, guys. If you can only see it through our eyes.
What's that? Lion?
Really scared. Hey! I'm scared. Don't be scared. It's not real. It's not real.
Elephant.
Sobrang totoo talaga kasi sa ano. The light's here, Bob. Keep going. Not follow the light.
Say hello, zebra.
Scare me again.
Tingnan nyo guys. On top of my glasses. Oh, you keep going. The lights. And then we stop. Maybe the thing is coming. The elephant's coming. Yeah? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! That's good. Okay, this is the third time now. May limang ano kasi guys. Okay.
Am I first again?
Okay, you're first again. Put it on.
I never.
Lin!
What happens if I don't?
Okay, go. Enter, quickly. Oh, what's this time? Have a look at the meerkats. Move, Daddy.
Wait,
Wow, this is a big one.
rhinoceros.
Looking at you.
Looking at Lily.
Keep going lang, keep going. tinatanggal ni baby. Oh, it's a meerkat. Oh, can you touch lang? You wanna touch?
Is that your friend?
Ala, sobrang totoo talaga ba? Buti na lang hindi tinatanggal ni baby Stanley. At kitang-kita niya. Okay, keep going the lights. Here. Everything's coming. Ah! Ang taslakan! That was it! Okay. It's raining. You're hiding. Yes. Okay, this is the last one now. Yeah. You have to watch. This is the last one and then it's done.
It's so scared.
You scared, La? You're doing really well. Yeah.
Happy?
Okay, let's go. Oh, nice. Wow. Have a look at the frog, La. Where's the froggy?
Keep up, Paris.
I think it will just... That's it!
That was cool, Lily, wasn't it?
I like that one.
Did you like it?
That was my favorite one. The last
Where
one.
Oh my god.
Where was you wearing it over Olympic? Where were you?
This is the last bit.
Won't miss out. In between
Can I go last?
little adventure,
Of course.
it tells you to swap to the next player.
I don't want to go second. I want to go last.
Interaction with the...
To see amazing holograms that look like
Look, see? Fish.
These are called flying fish. They don't
See, it
really
looks like
fly.
there is in
They
the
don't
thing.
flap their wings. They sort of
You mean they're just
glide
gonna sit down
for a
there?
few
Yeah.
meters.
Is that gonna be scary? I know it's like we saw it in the film.
That's scary. Look at Daddy.
Oh look! One of them's landed in your boat.
Dad,
Use the shovel at the end of your wand to flick the fish out of the boat.
where is the fish? I can't see the fish.
There. Daddy's got it.
Oh, another fish is in your boat.
Is it just a game?
Yes.
Starfish and sea cucumbers vacuum up any edible thing that falls down from above.
Put your glasses on, Paris.
The most dangerous creature down here is the giant squid.
Oh no.
Not very many humans have ever seen a giant squid because they live so far down.
Be careful. Fix it, mommy.
Is it really real?
Fix it.
Warning, warning. Large biological entity is crushing your submarine.
Oh my god.
What does it look like? Is it scary, Bob?
Danger, danger.
But can you imagine if it's freaking like real?
Is it big in your glasses?
We're done. So, how's your experience, Daddy?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
How was it, Paris?
Very good. When like you have to go into the tunnels. I was so scared.
Yeah, that was fun. So we paid, $96 for the 4 of us, guys. Kasi kung tatlo, we just pay for the 3 and the rest, free. Oh, okay, walk. We're gonna go upstairs, see? Go, follow Daddy. Follow Tita. Quick. Quick. We'll go to TK Maxx. We'll go for, check kung anong meron sila. So, ito yung, binigay nila.
They gave us
in the end.
toys.
Yeah.
Linis okay.
Linis got hers as well.
Now, Ben.
Open? Okay, we'll open. We'll go upstairs first. Come on. Halloween.
How's that? My puppy.
Gustong-gusto na Paris.
$59.
59? Ah, kamahal eh. So cute. Very sparkly. Dynamite, ano na hanap.
What's your process? What's your process?
Mom, you should know what my breast
I
size
know
is.
what it is in the hand. What size is it? You know, I know how big it is in my mouth. What size is it?
It's 12B.
36B?
No, it's too big. Well, the cup is B, that's right, but the band like this, that's too big. I think it's only 32. 32B. What do you think of this?
It's good.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where's our car?
There.
Where?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's a story.
Yeah, what color is our car, Ling Ling?
Look.
Yay! Good job! Very smart! Oh, careful anak! So, dyan kami pumunta kanina. And then, namili kami. Pumunta kami ng Woolies, which is next door lang. And now, we will go home. And that's it for our Sunday. Uwi na tayo. Prepare dinner!
Let's go inside again.
Sana all.
Let's see mommy.
Yeah?
Look.
Did you like it, darling? Yeah? Nak, I love your dress and your shoes. Can you give Mama a twirl?
No.
Turn around. Wow. Oopsie. Come here, baby. Ayan yung ating chef, oh. Gwapo naman yung chef, oh. Ito yung niluto nila kanina ni Ate Paris, guys. Oh my God, sobrang sarap. Tambok pa more. Roast pork. And then, merong, patatas. Sarap naman yan. Tabi. Pakawata, tabi. So, yan. Sarap, guys. Tapos, linis mode kami, guys. Tingnan nyo, mga damit. Andito. Ayan, naano ko na yan dyan. Silang dalawa nanonood na. What are you watching, Ling Ling? Lini! Lini, what are you watching? Nakadress na naman siya, guys. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Pagka naman, may gustong mag-donate ng princess dress kay Baby Celine. She loves it. She's obsessed with them. Ito yung napamili ko kanina sa TK Maxx. Ito lang pala yung binili ko, guys. No Show Satin Nipple Covers. Kandila. You know me. I love scented candle, guys. Love it. $10. Then, Classic Jasmine Luxury Hand Soap. Ayan. Yun lang ba? Ay, may binili akong underwear. Nagtingin si Daddy Mike, diba? And then, nag-grocery kami. Hindi na namin na-vlog yung nag-grocery kami kasi hectic na yung mga kids. Si Daddy Mike na lang yung pumasok eh. Ay, namili. Pumasok kami pero siya lang yung namili. Very crisp.
Can you open that in?
What are you gonna do that?
That's the fat one. They're good.
Just tell me.
Yeah, it's
Huh?
fine.
I'll do it, babe. I'll do it.
Oh.
Natapon mo yung Daddy Mike. Kaya mo, may meat naman siya. Oh, good. May meat naman siya. Tapon niya, very fatty.
Gawin.
Say night-night, Daddy.
Gawin.
Say good night.
No.
Say night-night, Daddy.
Okay.
Matutulog lang ating baby Celine. Very crunchy na. Huh? Do you want milk?
No.
Okay, just say night-night, Daddy din. Say night-night, Daddy. Tingnan nyo. Na-open na ang aking
Mama, Didi.
baby. Say night-night, Daddy. Lagi.
That's my daddy.
Nana, princess. But then you be
I love
sweet
you.
and tell me to go away at the same time.
No.
I love you.
I'm daddy.
It's good stuff.